Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a shortcut method to find the determinant of a matrix. Shortcut method to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So the first method 1. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So replace the entry A11 multiplied with the A22 into A33. Along with we have to add another term. To add the term A12 multiplied with A13 and with this with A31 like this, plus A13 multiplied with A32 and A21. For this you have to subtract the three more terms A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So you have to subtract the terms minus, take this A31 into A22 into A13 minus A32 into A23 into A11 minus A33 into A12, A21. Okay. So determinant of A will be equal to A11 into A22 into A33 plus A12 into A23 into A31 plus A13 into A32 into A21 minus A31 into A22 into A13 minus A32 into A23 so here is a mistake 2323 into A11 minus A33 into this one A12 into A21. Okay, so this one is the determinant of A. Okay, let us see an example. Let A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 0, 5, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 4. So applying that, determinant of A will be equal to 2 into 5 into 4, 5 into 2, 10 into 4, 40, plus 1 into minus 2 into 1. So it will be minus, it will become minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 1 into minus 3 into 0. So this will become 0. Next, minus 1 into 5 into 1 will equal to 5 minus minus 3 into minus 2 into 2. So minus 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 12. Next minus 4 into 1 into 0. So it will be 0. So the answer is 40 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 minus 19. You will get it is 21. If you want, you can check it in your usual method. So method 2, find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Method 2, let A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So let C is equal to determinant A11, A12, A21, A22. Determinant A11, A13, A21, A23. Determinant A11, A12, A31, A32. Determinant A11, A13, A31, A33. Then determinant A is equal to determinant of C divided by A11. So let us check. The A is equal to 21105 minus 2 1 minus 3 4, and let us take C is equal to determinant here 2105 another 210 minus 2 210 minus 2, next 211 minus 3 211 minus 3, next 2114 2114. So therefore determinant of A is equal to determinant of C by 2. So what is determinant of C here? This is 5 into 2 10, 10 minus 0 minus 4 minus 6 minus 1 minus 7, 4 into 2 8 minus 1 7. So its determinant is 70 minus 28. You will get it is 42. Therefore determinant A is 42 by 2. You will get 21. This is the what we have got in the last method. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.